True education. Education is not the amount of information that is put into your brain and runs right there, undigested, all your life. We must have life building, man making, character making, assimilation of ideas. If you have assimilated 5 ideas and made them your life and character, you have more education than any man who has got by heart a whole library. The ass carrying its load of sandalwood knows only the weight and not the value of the sandalwood. If education is identical with information, the libraries are the greatest sages in the world, and the encyclopedias are the rishis. The ideal, therefore, is that we must have the whole education of our country, spiritual and secular, in our own hands, and it must be on national lines, through national methods as far as practical. Well, you consider a man as educated if only he can pass some examinations and deliver good lectures. The education which does not help the common mass of people to equip themselves for the struggle for life, which doesn't bring out a strength of character, a spirit of philanthropy, and the courage of a lion. Is it worth the name? Real education is that which enables one to stand on one's own legs. The education that you are receiving now in schools and colleges is only making you a race of dyspeptics. You are working like machines merely and living a jellyfish existence. We want that education by which character is formed, a strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. You see, no one can teach anybody. The teacher spoils everything by thinking that he is teaching. Thus, Vedanta said that within man is all knowledge. Even in a boy, it is so, and it requires only an awakening, and that much is the work of a teacher. We have to do only so much for the boys that they may learn to apply their own intellect to the proper use of their hands, legs, ears, eyes, etc. And finally, everything will become easy. But the root is religion. Religion is as the rice, and everything else like the courage. Taking only courage causes indigestion, and so is the case with taking rice alone. Our pedagogues are making parrots of our boys and running their brains by cramming a lot of subjects into them. Goodness gracious! What a fuss and flurry about graduating, and after a few days all cools down. And after all that, what is it they learn but that what religion and customs we have are all bad, and what the Westerners have are all good. At last, they cannot keep the wolf from the door. What does it matter if this higher education remains or goes? It would be better if the people got a little technical education so that they might find work and earn their bread instead of dawdling about and crying for service. Thank you for listening this speech. Try to understand the meaning of the education and try to inculcate education, real education in your life so that you can build up yourself, so that you can stand up on your own legs. Please share the story to others and help me spread the message of real education. Thank you.